So hey guys, it's Stu from the Little House of Beans, and we are currently experiencing the effects of Hurricane Ian, and I think we dodged a bullet because it cut south, and so it is south of us. I'll give you some screenshots of what it looked like on approach, and it looks like it's going to hit the Fort Myers, Venice area, which is south of us. But as campers, we are more than prepared. And I'll show you what I did a couple of days ago before we knew that we were kind of out of the direct hit zone. Because for a while there, we actually were expecting a direct hit. In the room that I work in, as you can see, these are this is my man cave. So this room is built like a bomb shelter. So, and it does have its own mini split. So if we had a problem here and we stayed home, we would be in this room. And at the moment, this is the front of the house. So you can see it's raining. And we have a generator, which is hooked up to an interlock kit. And I built this box to keep the generator in there. I got plenty of non-ethanol gas. There's a video on how I built this box, by the way. More gas there. So that's our generator for the house. Can't run the whole house, but I can run the essentials. Plenty of bottled water in case we need it. This is the backyard where you see when we're not camping and we do cooking videos. This is usually where we film those videos. And you can see that I live on a canal and I've got that boat tied up. They let the water out. There's a outfall dam of Lake Tarpon, which is where this canal is part of. And they let water out from that outfall to lower the levels of the lake. So the boat's tied up, the lake has been lowered. You can see that I've tied up our backyard patio, and I've tied up the barbecue and the smoker. We have tons of propane. So there's propane in the barbecue, there's propane here. I've got a 3-burner Camp Chef. Of course, I've got several propane stoves. I did take the extra precaution because I was freaking out about the Wizard of Oz, so I actually tied up the travel trailer. I have eyelets here that I had stuck into the concrete, and this is the one I constantly stub my toe on. So this is where we keep the travel trailer, and I did tie this to the gate so that the gate maybe is a little bit more secure. Right now, it's raining and it's cloudy. We expect it to get a little bit worse. Supposedly 2 days of 50-mile-an-hour winds and 10 inches of rain, but so far so good. We're overly prepared as campers. Always have plenty of water, always have tons of propane, got the generator, got tons of gas. Not sure what else there is to do for us. I mean, if it was going to be a flood event, we would leave. But as of right now, we're pretty good.